Assalamualaikum. I am Nur Atila binti Muhammad Latif. My matric number is 202299. I am from group 6. We are going to present chapter 4, motion into dimensions. So I will present example 4.1. So firstly, the question is, a particle moves in the xy plane starting from the origin at t equivalent to 0 with an initial velocity having an x component of 20 meter per second and a y component of negative 15 meter per second. The particle experiences an acceleration in the x direction given by ax equal to 4 meter per second squared. So, according to this statement, we already got 3 informations. Firstly, we have 20 meter per second, which is x component, initial velocity, which is Vx initial. So secondly, we have negative 15 meter per second, y component. So this is Vy initial. Next, we have 4 meter per second squared. This is Ax. So to visualize this statement, we can draw a reference axis. So on this reference axis, we have two formula here, which is this is Vx initial equal to 20. So down here we have Vy initial equal to negative 15 meter per second. So why this is negative? This is because it is pointing downward. So question A is, determine the total velocity vector at any later time. So we already have these informations from the statement and we add Ay equals to 0. Why this is 0? It is 0 because according to the statement, the particle move in the x direction only. So Ay will be automatically become 0. So by using the first equation, we have V initial plus At. Please remember that this equation must be used in I and j unit. So we substitute the value of Vx initial and Ax. The t is not given because in the question it states that at any later time. So we don't know the time is 5 seconds or 7 seconds. So we just put t here. Same goes to the j unit. And then we calculate and we got this answer. So next question is question B. Question B is, calculate the velocity and speed of the particle at t 5 seconds and the angle the velocity vector makes within the x-axis. So the time given is 5 seconds. So we already have a V final from question A and we substitute t 5 seconds. And then we calculate and we have this answer, 40 I unit minus 15 J unit meter per second. And then the question asks for velocity. Velocity consists of magnitude and direction. So we calculate the direction. So we use the formula tangent theta Vy final over Vx final. So we substitute negative 15 over 40 and we got negative 21. Why is it negative? Because it is below x-axis. Then we calculate the magnitude. So modulus V final, because it is magnitude, so we must use modulus. And then we square root Vx final squared plus Vy final squared. And then we substitute and 43 meter per second is the answer. So the final question, question C. Determine the x and y coordinates of the particle at any time and its position vector at this time. So for this question, we use our formula. So our formula consists of R initial plus V initial times T plus half AT squared. So same just like question A, we must put all this according to I unit and J unit, which is X component for I unit and Y component for J unit. So we substitute with the value we have. So and then the T will remain T because the question asks at any time. So we just put T. And then we substitute. The final answer is R final equals to 20T plus 2T squared in I unit minus 15 in J unit. That's all from me. Thank you.